Somebody, anybody help me.
Now everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tay Pancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. Welcome to my channel. If you new, I never say welcome. What's up? Welcome. I'm sorry. I have no manners. None. As you read from the title, if you haven't read it, read it. So as you read from the title, your girl is going to try to flip some items. I was able to call it a thrift flip because I thrifted this shirt and I think I want to try to turn this, like, change it up. You know, someone was like, oh, you should take ugly items and make them cute. So we're gonna do it.
That's not even close to what they said, but you know, you get the idea. I can't even look over my damn glasses.
This was in my closet. I do not like this denim jacket at all. This is what she looks like. I may try to do something with this shirt. This is what it looks like here. I'm gonna just post a picture of me in it. Like, maybe I'm gonna incorporate some paint. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna do it. So let's just get right into the video. I'm back. I went to Joann's and I got some safety pins and I got some fabric scissors. I'm gonna link the inspiration for what I'm about to do to my my jacket in the description. He did it in like a dope way with the sleeves. Yeah, it was the inspiration for what I'm about to do with these sleeves. So I'm gonna link it down below. Okay, so I'm just going with the flow to see what I wanna do, and we're gonna do it. So
alright, so we don't want to wear this. I don't want to mess up the jeans, nor do I want to mess up the top, even though the top is kind of bleached. And yes, I'm thick. Sorry if you can't handle it. Yes. And we have on the right attire. I don't care about these pants, and nor do I care about this shirt. So let's F it up, sis. Yes. Get out of here.
okay, so first things first, I think I've decided that I'm going to do some bleaching to this. The thing that makes me not like to wear this, what the fuck? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? So what makes me really not like this jacket, like I've been trying to say, is the wash of this jacket. Bleach one side and keep the other one the wash that it is, if that makes sense. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but worst comes to worst, if it looks stupid, I'ma just bleach the whole thing. So, you know, that's what's really good. We're gonna see how far this bleach gets us. Hopefully it gets us through half a jacket. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, so I'm 99.9999% sure that I'm dying of bleach fumes. So, oh yeah, if there's a way to get higher for bleach, I think I'm doing it now. Okay. All right, so what I did was, I don't know if I'm, oh my God. Somebody, anybody help me. Half of that is bleach, half is not. I'm gonna leave that for a second with the door open and let it. I need to step outside for some air a little bit. But I'm kind of dizzy. So what I'm gonna do is Did you want to come outside, buddy?
I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch.
Yes. Yes. I closed the door to the bathroom with my jacket in there. It's gonna smell like bleach. It smells like the pool. Period. So this is taking a little longer than I thought it would. Break my beat. Hello, friend. Why is it? Why is it stiff like that? I knew I should have put it on the. Why is it stiff like that? Okay, so what you see here is my little setup. First things first, before I show y'all the jacket, this shirt, I don't plan on doing much with it. I think I'm just gonna cut it into a crop. I was thinking maybe, oh Taylor, you should measure or something, but bitch, we don't got time for that, and I don't got the tools for that or none of that. I mean, I guess I'll cut it lower because it's better to cut low than to cut higher. So you know, here we go.
Missing someone.
So basically, I don't really like this shirt. I feel like the sleeves make me look childish. I don't know why. It could be my opinion. It's just my opinion. Just my opinion. That's all. But the good thing about this shirt is I don't really care if it gets messed up. I'm gonna cut it to kind of try to make it look like a tank top. Oh, I think I got it. I just need to cut out the back. Oh shit. These are just simple stuff, and it's cutting. The most intricate thing that I'm gonna do is this jacket, and I swear I'm gonna try to spice it up because it's a thrift flip, so it gotta be flipped to the thrift, and you know what I'm saying, period. That didn't make no sense, but that don't matter. Whatever, on to the next. I did all that quick so I can get to my favorite project of them all. So now this is necessary, bitch. So we're on to the denim jacket. So let me show you how it turned out. I like how the bleach turned out, but I'm scared to touch it. I don't know if I want to distress it. I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling it, feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe, sis. I'm feeling the vibe. Missing someone. I kind of have an idea of what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna just kind of freestyle paint on the fabric, and yeah, I'm gonna just time lapse as I do this. So enjoy the time lapse. a lot of time. Why is it zoomed in like that? Oh my god. Not this shirt, but that jacket took up hours. Between washing, bleaching, I've been working on this jacket since about 6:30, 7 o'clock. No, 6:30. It's 11:30 right now. 5 hours. All right, so this was the shirt that just had the sleeve. All I did for this was I cut the sleeves off and that's it. So this is her. I figured I'd start showing y'all the simple ones. So I do like this. I will wear it way more. This is what I did with this shirt. Period. So yeah, that's that. Let me go to the next one. All right, so this is the other shirt. These shirts, I wouldn't really consider them thrift flips. It's crooked. I wouldn't really consider them thrift flips because all I did was crop it, cut it and crop it, bitch. But I still flipped it, right? Cut it and crop it. It's crooked. It's crooked. It's I thought it was straight, but it's not. This is it. I could fix this though, and this is why I said cut longer rather than shorter. If something like this happened, you can do a little snip snip. So always thinking. So the last thing, the one that you've all been waiting for, the one that you've been basically watching me do this whole video, is the jacket. So this is the one that I really knew that I was gonna put some effort into, you know what I'm saying? Some painting and all of that and customizing and stuff. So this one is the one that's really a flip. It's a flip, a thrift flip. Bitch, I'm gonna go get my motherfucking jacket and show you what the hell I did because I worked hard. You see this? This is paint. You see this? These is paint. My arms look like this, so my jacket can look like this. So here's the jacket. People, look at it. Everybody look at it. So this is the jacket. Okay, so all right, here's a few things I would change the next time I do this. So this is the detailing on the pocket. I just did some stuff. This is what I did with the sleeves. One thing I would want to change next time is to be able to get bigger bobby pins, like longer ones, so that way it hung like longer. I was going for more of a, so this is the effect I was trying to go for. Since these sleeves aren't like super long on me because I have long arms, I wanted to kind of use the bobby pins as like an extension, like, oh shoot sis, like period type stuff. But it's still kind of, you know, whatever, it works. So this is the back. I painted this. The words on there, a lot of this I just was feeling in the moment because I was getting stressed. Like when I wrote the fuck, it was because niggas was stressed. The faces were inspired by this building that's in North Hollywood. It's an apartment building and they have these type of faces drawn on them. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. So even though this took me a long time, I'm very proud of how the jacket turned out. Yeah, the rest of the stuff kind of came out a little dank, but that's okay because we're gonna get better. I'm gonna try to take some, oh,